Hello and welcome. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to change the lift supports on your hatch on your Pontiac Vibe Toyota Matrix. Now this one here is 2004 Pontiac Vibe and this is the part number for the ones I'm using. So let's get to work. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is get it open, and if it holds up by itself, great. If not, well, no need to worry. We're going to prop it up anyway. I got a little rubber cap on the end of this, and I'm going to sit it right there. Actually, right there would be a little safer. That way I can do this by myself. So now, all we got to do is remove the lift supports. So now, you can see here, this one's already starting to come out. Take a flathead, pop the clip, and there. So you see, that bar is there to keep it from falling with taking one off at a time. Let's do the same thing here. Get up under that clip. And it broke, but that's okay, we're not reusing it. Now, new one. Let's pop it on like that. Now it's on. Now do remember that you want this end down, this end up. And we're gonna turn that a little bit until it matches that right there. That's not supposed to happen. Make sure they're on good, and then we'll do the other side. Now I'm going to find a better place to support it. This side exactly the same. So I'll just start right here and pop this one loose real quick, since the other side was technically already off. Sit there. Just make sure it's supported good. Now of course with the other one on, should be alright. It won't fall as fast. Get the flathead under there. Pop it loose. And just put the new one on. Alright, there it is. Lift support's changed. Simple, easy to do yourself, and it makes a big difference. I hope this video proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.